A good free payroll software offers features to process payroll legally, namely the ability to create pay stubs, calculate key deductions, such as state and federal tax withholding, print tax forms and issue checks or direct deposit payments. The best ones offer tools to make your job easier, such as e-filing, integrations, employee portals and time clocks. We assessed the currently available options to compile a best of the best list of free payroll software for 2023. Hi, welcome to Review Ninja Plus. If this is your first time here, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. This will encourage us greatly. Let's get to the nitty-gritty of today's video. On number 1 is Payroll4free.com. Even in its free plan, Payroll4free.com offers a robust list of features any small business can use to process payroll. Features include employee and contractor payment processing, tax calculations and forms, basic human resource management tools, 401k and other deduction capabilities, employee vacation time tracking, in-depth payroll reporting and an employee portal. In its free plan, companies can pay up to 25 employees. Payroll4free.com offers this free plan by displaying small ads inside the software, so users view them as they use the included tools. There are 2 services that are not provided free of charge. You can have Payroll4free.com deposit and file your payroll taxes for you via its payroll tax services. You can also pay them to use its bank to process payments via direct deposit instead of your own account. You will, however, pay up to $30 a month for both services. Who should use it? Payroll4free.com is a great match for freelancers who hire contractors and other very small businesses. Its free plan is robust, offering the ability to process payroll on shoestring budgets. Its payroll tax services, coupled with the ability to use the Payroll4free.com bank account to process payments automatically, affordably and with few risks, makes Payroll4free.com a great option for freelancers with no personal accountants. Talk about pros and cons. Pros first, they offer a free robust plan third-party integrations, such as QuickBooks Easy Onboarding, live customer support, employee portal, direct and check payment processing, tax calculations and forms, time clock, software importations. And the cons? Oh, well, not free for more than 25 employees, no mobile app, window operating system required to use the software, few advanced payroll processing features. On number 2 is eSmart Paycheck. Using eSmart Paycheck, you can prepare paychecks, calculate federal and state taxes, print checks and pay stubs and print 94-1 and W-2 forms for free. After the first 3 months, which are free, charges for adding earnings and income types range from $75 for 1 to 5 employees to $450 for up to 40 employees. Depositing federal and state taxes, print state payroll forms and e-file state payroll forms require an added $20 to $35 fee. It can calculate, deposit and file payroll returns. However, e-file is only available in some states in the U.S. To find out if your state allows e-filing of payroll taxes and so could benefit from C&S Technologies services, visit your state's tax website. For example, tax.virginia.gov gives a list of all forms that can be e-filed. Who should use eSmart Paycheck? eSmart Paycheck is particularly useful for small companies, freelancers and sole proprietors looking for free or close to free tax, IRS and SSA calculating and e-filing services, and which operate in states that allow for state payroll tax e-filing. Pros: free full-featured plans for 3 months, then some fees apply. Free paycheck preparation. Free calculation of federal, state and other payroll taxes. Free pay stub and check printing. Free W-2, 94-1, 94-4 and 9-4-0 form printing. Free e-filing Fed 94 and a 94-4, 940 and W-2 to the IRS and SSA. 401k deductions. The cons: no free tax deposits. No free state tax e-filing. No free printing of W-2 forms. No direct deposit payment option available. No free earning and deduction type additions. Number 3 is hr.my. hr.my is primarily a human resource management software offering free unlimited payroll processing and human resources management tools. Its features and capabilities make possible the ability to add and track unlimited employee time worked, attendance, paid time off, overtime, undertime and expense accounts. You can also issue payslips automatically using the software on a weekly, semi-weekly, monthly and even semi-monthly basis. hr.my makes its platform completely free through crowdfunding and paid ads shared on the platform. It offers no ability to upgrade features via paid plans. However, as its developer adds new features to the platform, you can expect to take advantage of these features for free. Planned new additions include, for example, the ability to add and track variable pay and deductions. You can request new features on the hr.my upcoming features to-do list. Who should use it? hr.my is best for companies with large workforces on shoestring budgets, such as non-profit organizations. Pros: unlimited free employee payroll management, tax calculations, expense claim management, employee leave and PTO management, employee time tracking, including overtime, tardiness and undertime, automatically generated payslips, monthly, semi-monthly, weekly and semi-weekly payment processing. Cons: no e-filing for state or federal taxes, no user training available, no customer service, no bonus and commission payment processing, no variable pay and deduction tracking and processing. TimeTrex is on number 4. TimeTrex is a workforce management software offering a free set of payroll management tools under its Community Edition plan. Its features include time and attendance, employee scheduling, leave, HR and payroll management. Its automation capabilities make payroll management easy. You can create automation rules to calculate garnishments, benefits, insurance, employee leave, overtime, premiums, accruals and multiple pay rates. TimeTrex's paid plans start at $2.90 per user, with a minimum of 10 users, totaling $30 per month. Paid plans add features to the Community Plan's set of features, including a mobile app software version, facial time clock recognition, geofencing for tracking employee time on the field, document management, invoicing, customer support, accounts receivable and talent management. You can access these features for free via TimeTrex's free 30-day trial. Who should use TimeTrex? TimeTrex is best for companies needing to save time with automated payroll processing tools that can be applied to employee groups, such as those receiving certain benefits or overtime. Pros: federal, state and local tax calculations. Form W-2, W-3, 940, 941, 1099 and international tax report generation. Time and attendance tracking, employee leave management, automated calculations, overtime, premiums and accruals, integrations with QuickBooks, Paychecks, Sage and more. Deductions, including benefits, insurance, garnishments, vacation and sick leave. Cons: no payroll tax filing, no phone, chat or email customer support in free version. Very basic free version compared to competitors. No labor cost attribution in free version. Custom quotes required. On number 5 is Excel Payroll. Excel Payroll is a payroll processing application that runs on Microsoft Excel using pre-formulated Excel functions. The free version includes the ability to process 1 to 50 employees' payroll via check payouts. Other features include tax form printing, deduction management, vacation accrual and workers' compensation reporting, job expense tracking, variable income tracking and payroll processing, timecard tracking and salary or hourly payroll options. The free version only covers up to 50 active or currently paid employees, although its database can hold up to 1,000 employees. Non-profits can exceed that limit upon request. However, for-profit companies must pay to use the software if their workforce exceeds 50 people. While the application is free, you must have already purchased Excel. State tax table updates, an add-on feature, start at $50 with renewals ranging from $40 to $500. Who should use it? Given its limited features and familiar interface, businesses with 50 employees or less, non-profit organizations and students should use Excel Payroll. Because non-profits are allowed to remove the 50 employee limit upon request, it is an ideal free payroll software for non-profits in particular. Pros: W2, W3, 940, 941, DE9 and tax liabilities printing. Deduction and garnishment management. Ease of use for Excel users. Vacation accrual tracking. Weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly or annual payroll tax computation options. Job expense tracking. Variable income tracking, such as overtime. Workers' compensation reporting. Cons: no tax filing services. No direct deposit capabilities. Minimum pay rate set at $7.50 per hour. Maximum yearly wage per employee set at $458,300. Tax tables are not free. No talent recruitment tools. No employee accounts. There you have it. 5 of our best free payroll softwares for small businesses. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video to help us reach more people on YouTube. Until next time, stay savvy.